Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn alphabets, numbers and shapes. Kids colors name red color, yellow color, black color, blue color, yellow color, green color. Kids now coloring alphabets, numbers and shapes. Kids first draw A. A for apple, A for aeroplane, and use red color. B. B for ball, B for bat, and again use red color. Kids now draw C. C for cat, C for car. D. D for dog, D for doll. Kids now draw E. E for egg, E for elephant, and again use red color. The alphabets of E. Kids now draw numbers, and first draw 1. The numbers of 1, and use yellow color. O N E 1, 2, T W O 2, 3, T H R W 3. Kids now draw 4. The numbers of 4. F O U R 4. Kids now draw 5. The numbers of 5. F I V E 5. Kids now draw shapes, and first draw a square. The shape of a square, and use black color. Kids now draw circle. The shape of circle, and again use black color. Kids now draw triangle. The shape of triangle, kids now draw heart. The shape of heart. Kids last draw star. The shape of star. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.